Let's learn how to make the best homemade face wash for various skin types. Number 1. Curd and honey cleanser. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of curd and add 1 teaspoon of organic honey into it. Mix this pack well and apply it all over the face. Then keep for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. One can also add 1 teaspoon of olive oil if you have very dry skin. You can follow up with your toning and moisturizing as usual. This cleanser can be used on a regular basis as it is very mild on the skin. Number 2. Honey and egg cleanser. Take 1 large egg yolk, add 1 teaspoon of the organic honey. Make a smooth paste of 6 to 7 almonds and add into this pack. Stir the pack well and apply it all over the face. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes so that the pack dries off well. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal smooth and moisturized face. Number 3. Cream and apple cleanser. Boil a small-sized apple and with the help of a fork, mash it gently. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of cream, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or orange juice. Mix all the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Apply this pack all over the face, including face, forehead, and neck. Keep this for 5 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Homemade face wash for oily skin, homemade face wash for acne. Oily skin tends to attract a lot of dirt and pollution, which often leads to the formation of acne, blackheads, and pimples. These organic cleansers are most suitable for combating oily skin without any side effects. Number 4. Yogurt and strawberry cleanser. Take 2 fresh ripened strawberries and add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Blend both the ingredients in the blender and stir the pure gently. Apply and gently massage on the face. Keep it for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. This cleanser will remove the excess oil and sebum from the face. Number 5. Milk and honey cleanser. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with teaspoons of raw milk. You will obtain a fine lotion which you apply on the skin evenly. Massage gently on the skin for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. This cleanser will brighten your skin and removes the oil from the face. This is a wonderful homemade face wash for sensitive skin. Number 6. Clay and aspirin cleanser. Clay is one of the best cleansers for all skin types. It absorbs all the excess oil, dirt, and sebum, refreshes and soothes any type of skin irritation. Aspirin is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Thus, this cleanser not only cleanses your face, but also helps in fighting off the pimples. In a bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of clay, add 2 or 3 crushed aspirin powder, and form a smooth paste by adding little water. Keep for 10 minutes till it dries and rinse off with cold water. Number 7. Pineapple cleanser. Mix 2 teaspoons of pineapple juice. Now add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a thick paste. Apply and massage all over your face gently. Keep for 5 minutes before rinsing with cool water. For combination skin. Number 8. Gram flour cleanser. Besan or gram flour is one of the oldest and best known natural homemade face wash. You can mix besan with milk, curd, or Malai to prepare the pack and apply it all over the face and gently massage. Keep for 15 minutes till it dries completely. Wash off with cool water. Number 9. Tomato cleanser. Mix 2 teaspoons of tomato pulp along with 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply this cleanser on the face and keep for 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water. You can even store this cleanser for future use. Number 10. Milk and chickpea cleanser. For this cleanser, 5 to 6 teaspoons of chickpea flour should be mixed with 2 teaspoons of raw milk and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Prepare a smooth paste and apply all over the face. Wash off your face after 10 minutes. Customize your homemade face wash for glowing skin according to your skin type. Pamper yourself, look gorgeous and glowing. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for this video. Bye!